Hey friends, if you wish to fix the ERR SSL protocol error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. And how would you do that? Search for fast.com and hit enter. This will check the internet connection speed. The next solution is to clear the Chrome browser data. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can uh, you can select this option history. Click on history once again, select delete browsing data, change the time range to all time and click on delete data. The next solution is to disable Chrome extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and then click on manage extensions. Turn the switch off for the extensions and then finally remove the extensions. The last solution is to reset Chrome. And how would you do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to reset settings, restore settings to their original defaults and reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.